Hey Myntra Beauty fam, welcome to the Myntra YouTube channel. Okay, let's create a quick Valentine's Day makeup look. I'll be using only BarryM products for this look and let's get started now. I'll be using only BarryM products which are uniquely available on the Myntra Beauty section on their app right here. BarryM, it's a cruelty-free vegan brand that has been quite the favorite in UK. So my base is done, but go ahead and do your base the way you usually do. And with that, let's begin. Eyes first because eyes are the windows to the soul. Cliche, I know, right? So eyeshadow first. I'm gonna use Mellowed and Success for my base, and then I'm gonna line my eyes using this purple bold eyeliner. So let's begin. We're gonna create a bold eye look like so. Once you've completed one, recreate it on the other side. So since the eyes are so bold, the rest of the face is gonna be more subtle to let the eyes shine and speak. On my cheeks, I'm using Fresh Face Cheek and Lip Tint in shade Peach Glow. It's so subtle and has the right kind of sun-kissed glow for my cheeks. Tint is formulated with Aronia berry and hyaluronic acid for a hydrating, healthy glow with a soft, blendable formula to create a weightless finish. Blend the sheer formula across cheeks and lips for a subtle flush of color and you're good to go. It's all available in the Myntra Beauty section. Definitely check it out. I'm thinking luscious kissable lips is the vibe to go for, and for that we need to prep with the lip scrub. I'm using Hydrating lip scrub with vitamin E and avocado oil in the flavor watermelon. Scrub your lips gently to exfoliate it. It hydrates my lips, leaving them super smooth and soft. Dry flaky lips, no more. Head over to the link in the description box and shop it now. If you want to make your lips look plump, then that Swell XXL Extreme Lip Plumper is your go-to. The non-sticky formula stimulates the skin's natural collagen for a soft plump out. You have to grab one for yourself. Check out the link in the description box below. Adding a bit of color with a creamy and lightweight velvet matte lipstick in the shade Crave Me 235. In an array of gorgeous shades, the creamy lightweight formula glides on smoothly, delivering an even intense pigment with lasting anti-drying results. So that was it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Definitely check these products out and don't forget to subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel for more such amazing content. I'll see you. Bye guys.